this video, we're going to be talking about Telegram Premium and how to use all these features. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram, go to your settings, head to Telegram Premium and select a plan that suits you and purchase it. Once you've done that, you can get 4x faster downloads. So download files, medias, and documents up to 4 times faster. Up to 4 GB upload. So download or upload documents, files up to 4 GB. Real-time translation is available. You can translate entire chats in real time in your preferred language. Access with 10,000 plus exclusive animated stickers. You can choose from exclusive premium app icons. You can also pin up to 10 chats in your chat list, save unlimited messages in your saved messages, also get a premium badge on your profile, and enjoy Telegram without any ads forever. You can also convert any voice message to text instantly, post longer stories, use exclusive stickers, and store more data in cloud with increased limits. I hope this video clarifies everything for